All right, hey, it's our Locksmith here. Okay, so got a customer. Need a key duplicated and programmed. It's on your Grand Prix. Be your Bravo 107. So I've got my machine on. Let's go ahead, take the app. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm going to do universal, double, tip a line, M1, decode key. I've already taken the brush and cleaned it, so we're good there. Sorry for the background noise. I am at a job site where the people work doing okay, that part's done. So we'll take the blank, insert the blank. All right, so we're going to insert the blank, tip a line, and we'll go back over here, hit OK, and cut key, continue. Done on that part. I'll go ahead and restart the video when I get to the vehicle to do the programming on it. Okay, so got the customer's key, got the key we just cut. Quick, easy reprogram. Take the key that works, put it in the ignition, turn it to the on position, give it about 5 seconds so you can go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn it off. Take your key that you just cut, turn it in the on position, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn it off, and just turn it back on and do another 5-second count. 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it up. The driver's information center does not show no theft system on. We'll take the original key. We're good there. And I just always check the remotes while I'm there. I like to check it before I start. That way if it doesn't work, I can do it after to make sure it doesn't work. I want to give it back to the customer the way they gave it to me, and it's a one way to cover yourself on the job. But hey, I'd like to say thank you again for watching. If you made it this far, also just give me a comment if you found the video useful. Thumbs up, you know, let us know we're reaching people, and go ahead and check out our other playlist. We're doing stuff. We got myself, Sergeant Locksmith, we got Special C Brown contributing. We've got more videos coming. We plan on doing at least 3 a week of how-to, so it could be from do-it-yourselfer to the locksmith to the beginner. And we're doing a basic locksmithing 101. That way some of you folks that have sent us emails had brought up the comment about us doing that. So we're going to start that series up a lot harder. But thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.